Hello, good morning. I wanted to share the things I'm excited about today. We got these awesome hats from our sponsor Botco.ai. I got a couple packages I picked up over the weekend that are super important that I wanted to share because they are seriously gonna up our game on the road. The first is this Zoom handy video recorder. So I can upgrade these video recordings from my phone to this 4K HD 150 degree wide lens. Like, this is badass. It comes with some accessories, a tripod, and some instructions. And I am gonna be starting to play around with this. So we'll see some change in my upgraded videos, which is, not that hard. I'm new at this. This is something that came in from, with the thanks to John Lynn over at Healthcare IT Today. And it is a piece of equipment for our trip. It's a vehicle cell signal booster kit. So you basically install it into your car when you're driving in remote places, and multiple people can increase their cell signal. So I anticipate that we're gonna be in some pretty rural places, and this is gonna come in super handy to keep us connected. So I feel like every time that I thought I was gonna lose signal, but then I have it, I'm gonna be able to thank John. So that's awesome. And then I've got pink socks gear, which is always fun. So we've got lots of socks to give away. They've got scrunchies for the girls. We've got masks because COVID, and lots and lots and lots of stickers. So there's like more stuff coming in on a regular basis, but this is this week's fun stuff that I wanted to share with you. I woke up the other day thinking about Tennessee for some reason. Tennessee in particular, like by the time we get to Tennessee, we will have essentially been camping for maybe 3 weeks or something like that. Like we'll be camping for the most part through Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. But when we get to Tennessee, we're gonna be staying in an Airbnb, fingers crossed. And so I woke up thinking, like, how cool would it be if a Tennessee-based healthcare company, sponsored our Airbnb stays both in Memphis and Nashville, and maybe we could do some like Martini Mondays with them or whatever. So anyway, that's what's on my mind. I've got a big week ahead. The emails are already piling up, but in a good way. There's more people signing up for not just to hike with us, like definitely in the Rhode Island area and up in New England. Like those hikes seem to be the most popular right now. Although the one Isabel Glacier in Colorado is too. But also signing up more podcast guests. So some people are coming to be on the hike with us, which is awesome, but we're also recording podcast episodes while we're there. And so I'm just doing the logistics of that behind the scenes too. So this is gonna be a good week. I'm really excited for it. I've got a lot going on still, but it was a great weekend. I feel super well rested and happy to keep this going. You know what I love about this hat? It's Velcro, like one size fits all. So regardless of the size of your head, it's just a perfect fit. Anyway, really happy about that. Thanks, Botco. All right, bye.